All right, hey everybody. I'm sitting here in a 2007 Mazda 3, and I effectuated a repair of this switch. This is the blower motor resistor, or the blower motor fan speed control that goes to the resistor pack. So in my case, I had some kind of problem where when it was on, the air conditioning light would go off, and I'd have to kind of like play with it, and then the air conditioning light would come back on. So I had elected to replace this switch. I had seen some tutorials that were suggesting to take the center console out, blah, blah, blah. I uncovered that you can remove this strip up here. This strip, you pull it out and it pops out. Then you got these two screws here for the radio. You take these two screws out. This radio assembly will just kind of pop out of there. You don't have to unplug it. What I did is I put it on the dashboard and I wedged something between the fan to hold it up there. And then you're going to have access to this switch, okay? But there's a trick to removing it. This is the switch right here. So the switch sits in there like this, okay? And what you've got, there's going to be two little clip mechanisms up here. On this, you're going to depress them, and the switch it'll rock back a little, okay? And that's after you this knob here, you just pull it off. It just pulls off. It's not a bit. You got to remove this first. Then you open up and you got to hit these two clips. Now on the bottom, this is the tricky part. You can't see it. You got to do it by feel. You got to get down there and you feel. This is what the bottom looks like. There's a little hook here, that little angled depression. Okay, and on that part of this assembly here, there's a little tab. All right, the little tab. I'm not coming through in my video here. There it is. Yeah. So there's a little tab. It looks just like that. And you're going to need one of these. This is a probing tool. And you need a 90-degree probing tool. And what you can do is you can get down and you can push that down. And this sits in here like this. So that hook on the bottom, what you're doing is you're lifting it up. So you go in there just like this, and you get under there and you push that down. And then you're gonna get in there just like that. And you push it down, and then that'll allow you to pull it out the back. You'll have to disconnect the wire first. You disconnect the wire, you get the top two tabs, then you use a probing tool. You need one of these, a little probing tool, and you can get that right out of there. That'll save you the whole process of taking out this console. When I did the repair, it maybe took 20, 30 minutes. It wasn't even a big deal. But I hope this helps somebody out there, saves you the trouble from redoing or taking apart the whole center console.